Okay, these are all the spices that your basic Malay curry is. This is the spices that you have to have. This is my secret spice that I use. I don't know, other people don't use it, but my secret, yeah. It's about a cup and a little bit less than a quarter. So now you'd rather make this very soft than very dry. I'll just get this out. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's there. You can work that through. So if you look now, you can see the dough is going to get smoother. 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to put the backwards side, so you get a circle.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay.
I think this is one bit that I can do.
Or fingerprints. We in Africa the paws. We need your paws on the roti. So you know how tart is made, Sharon? Butter. Now sometimes the guest doesn't want to put a lot of butter in, and then you stretch it.
Okay.
So you can turn it together, and then you meet in the center. Okay.
Okay.
There you go. A figure 8.
Okay.
That's it. That's the roti. Okay? You're keeping your finger on that point, right? But don't press too hard. Take this and then move your finger and just put it on top. Take it to the side of the leaf. Take it to the side of the leaf, over there, over here.
Okay.
And just keep your finger on the point. Yes?
Yes.
That's good. There's your pocket. Okay? That's to look like a kite now. Okay? Let's see. Spoon and a half. So you'll open the pocket. Here you go. And do this at the bottom, just to let it go down. Handle it gently. Yeah, that's perfect. Another spoon, half a spoon, and that's it. Okay. There's your samosa. Okay, let's see.
That's going to taste good to you though.
Okay, if you look here, it's closed. That is closed. It's overlapped.
Yeah.
There. So, there you go. Nothing.
Really? No water?
Nothing. You see, that's also on.
So you must have one of these.
No, you can have a normal pan.
Do it in a normal pan
no
as well.
Problem.
Oh,
normal
okay.
pan, no problem. Just don't make this bigger than the pan. Sorry. So what we're doing, we're putting a teaspoon of oil on each one of them. Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be so good, Darren.
And turn it around. But once you turn it around, can you see? You have to move it.
Oh, that's fast as well.
Yeah, turn it. Oh,
nice.
See, we almost. Oh. And then, can you see the?
Yeah, okay.
They say brown. So it just comes off.